For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a financial advisor business can be a rewarding career path, combining your expertise in finance with a passion for helping clients achieve their financial goals. With the rise of AI technology, many tools are now available for free that can assist you in setting up and growing your business more efficiently and effectively. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of launching a financial advisory business using free AI tools, complete with suggested prompts you can use with AI models like ChatGPT. Step 1. Research and understand the financial advisor industry. Before you start, it's crucial to gain a thorough understanding of the financial advisory landscape. Research regulatory requirements, such as certifications, e.g., CFP, Series 65 license, compliance rules, and ethical standard in your location. Use AI-powered search engines like Bing Chat or ChatGPT's web browsing capability to gather the latest information and summarize complex regulations. ChatGPT prompt suggestion. Explain the licensing and certification requirements to become a financial advisor in your country/state. Provide a summary of compliance rules I must follow. Step 2. Define your niche and services. The financial advisory field is broad. Decide which niche you want to serve: retirement planning, investment advising, tax planning, estate planning, or general financial coaching. Define your service offerings clearly to target a specific client base. AI can help analyze market trends or perform competitor analysis by summarizing large amounts of data. ChatGPT prompt suggestion. Analyze current market trends in financial advising and suggest profitable niche services based on demand and competition. Step 3. Create a business plan. A solid business plan is essential for guiding your business strategy, attracting clients, or securing funding. Use AI to draft and refine your plan. You can outline your business objectives, target market, marketing strategy, operations, and financial projections. Tools like ChatGPT are excellent for creating drafts, writing professional summaries, and editing. ChatGPT prompt suggestion. Create a detailed business plan for a startup financial advisory firm specializing in retirement planning, including sections for market analysis, marketing strategy, and financial projections. Step 4. Register your business and obtain licenses. Register your business legally. This might involve forming an LLC or corporation. Use free online AI-driven legal platforms like Rocket Lawyer, Free Tier, or Do Not Pay, which use AI to help you understand legal documents and guide you through the registration process. Check with your local regulatory bodies for required licenses and registrations. ChatGPT prompt suggestion. Explain the steps to legally register a financial advisory business in your location, including business structure options and licensing requirements. Step 5. Build your brand identity. Your brand sets you apart from competitors and builds trust with clients. Use AI-powered design tools like Canva's free version for logos, branding materials, and social media graphics. Use AI copywriting tools such as ChatGPT to create compelling taglines, mission statements, and website content. ChatGPT prompt suggestion. Write a professional and engaging mission statement and tagline for a financial advisor business focused on personalized retirement planning. Step 6. Develop your website and online presence. A professional website is crucial for credibility and lead generation. Use free AI website builders like Wix ADI or Zyro that use AI to create a tailored website based on your inputs. Integrate AI chatbots such as Tidio, Free Tier, for customer inquiries and lead capture. ChatGPT prompt suggestion. Generate content for the homepage and About Us page of financial advisory website targeting middle-aged professionals looking for retirement planning. Step 7. Design a marketing plan. To attract clients, develop a marketing plan using AI tools to research your audience and generate marketing ideas. Platforms like ChatGPT can help write social media posts, newsletters, email campaigns, and blog articles. You can also use Google Trends and Answer the Public, free versions, to identify popular financial topics your potential clients are searching for. ChatGPT prompt suggestion. Create a 3-month marketing plan for a financial advisor business targeting young professionals, including social media, email marketing, and blog content ideas. Step 8. Generate client proposals and financial plans. To close deals and deliver value, you will need professional client proposals and personalized financial plans. Use AI document generators like ChatGPT to draft proposals, while spreadsheet tools like Google Sheets with AI add-ons, such as the AI-powered formula suggestions in Google Workspace, can assist in creating financial models and projections. ChatGPT prompt suggestion. Draft a client proposal template for a financial advisory service that includes scope, fees, and expected outcomes. Step 9. Implement client relationship management, CRM. Managing client information and communications efficiently is key. Use free CRM platforms like HubSpot CRM or Zoho CRM, which incorporate AI to automate contact management, email follow-ups, and schedule reminders. These tools help maintain professional client interactions and improve retention. ChatGPT prompt suggestion. Explain how to set up and use HubSpot CRM for a financial advisory business to manage client communications and appointments. Step 10. Stay educated and compliant. The financial industry changes regularly. Use AI to stay up to date on market news, new regulations, and financial strategies. Set up AI-driven news aggregators like Feedly with AI summarization, or use ChatGPT to summarize daily financial news and regulatory updates. ChatGPT prompt suggestion. Summarize the latest financial regulations affecting independent financial advisors and recent market trends from today's news. Step 11. Scale your business and network. As your business grows, consider expanding your services or hiring associates. Use AI tools to analyze performance metrics and client feedback. Networking platforms such as LinkedIn use AI to suggest connections and content to engage your target audience. ChatGPT prompt suggestion. Generate strategies for scaling a small financial advisory firm and improving client acquisition through networking. In conclusion, starting a financial advisor business using free AI tools is an accessible and strategic way to enter the financial services industry. AI technologies can significantly reduce your startup costs and time while increasing efficiency in research, planning, marketing, client management, and compliance. By systematically leveraging these tools at each stage, you create a professional, client-focused business prepared for growth. With dedication and consistent use of AI resources, your financial advisor business can thrive in today's competitive marketplace. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.